Hey there, future digital entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving deep into a game-changing topic, how to run a social media marketing agency, SMMA, using the incredible power of AI. This isn't your standard SMMA guide. We're going to explore every facet of this dynamic combination. Let's dive right in. Segment 1, Market Research with AI. To build a successful SMMA, you need to start with solid market research. AI tools like SEMrush and Ahrefs can help you analyze your target audience, competitor strategies, and trending keywords. This data is the bedrock of your marketing campaigns. Segment 2, Content Creation and Optimization. Quality content is king. AI can assist in creating engaging content using tools like Copy AI and ArcBreeder. Additionally, it can optimize your content for search engines, making it more discoverable. Segment 3, Social Media Management. Managing multiple social media accounts can be overwhelming. AI-powered social media management tools like Buffer and Hootsuite allow you to schedule posts, track engagement, and analyze performance seamlessly. Segment 4, Chatbots and Customer Service. Customer service is a vital aspect of any SMMA. AI-driven chatbots like Intercom or Drift can handle routine inquiries, freeing up your team's time for more complex tasks. Segment 5, Automated Outreach and Lead Generation. AI tools like Reply.io and Lemlist can automate email outreach, helping you connect with potential clients more efficiently. They can also help you nurture leads through personalized follow-ups. Segment 6, Reporting and Analytics. Measuring your performance is key to success. AI platforms like Google Analytics and Tableau provide in-depth insights into your campaigns, enabling data-driven decisions. Segment 7, Scaling your SMMA. As your agency grows, consider AI-driven CRM systems like Salesforce or HubSpot to manage clients, streamline communication, and automate routine tasks. Segment 8, Monetization Strategies. Let's talk money. Monetize your SMMA through a mix of strategies: monthly retainers, project-based fees, performance-based commissions, or even by offering AI-driven marketing services as a premium. Running an SMMA using AI is all about working smarter, not harder. By leveraging these AI tools and strategies, you can deliver better results for your clients and grow your agency more efficiently. Remember, it's a journey of continuous learning and adaptation in the ever-evolving world of digital marketing.